There's Big Bird fly in. And it's a beautiful day. Magnificent. They got themselves a new fence. Very nice. And we got a nice big Eindecker there.
Right there.
And a Hanger 9 ARF.
Yeah. It's bad for me because it costs so much.
Fokker D6. Hey, you've got Dave Rawlings there with his Flying Flea. How's it go?
Quite well.
You got enough wing area?
No. I got about 1,000 some square inches. And right now I'm putting in a new smoke tank.
I see. A BME Ultimate, huh?
BME Ultimate, 37%.
Wow. Well, it's a biplane then.
Yeah.
I'll be darned.
Yeah, so I should have it together within the hour or so.
And what was your name?
Chris Elliott.
Chris.
Yeah.
What engine is that?
That's a DA100.
Oh man, I guess it goes straight up a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we got Rick Allison's Eindecker here. It's an SR, right, Rick?
SR batteries, yeah.
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
been modified a good bit. I lengthened the tail a bit, I lengthened the nose a bit, turned it into an E3 from an E1.
Eindecker E3, huh?
Yeah.
And what engine was it?
That's an Evolution 40 GX.
Wow. How's it fly?
Pretty scale. Pretty scale.
Great.
Nice.
We're in Woodburn, Oregon for the Big Bird Fly-In 2010.
A Yak 55. What size is it?
Oh boy, see,
50%? No, a third?
it is. Yeah, I'm trying to remember what he said it was. It's not my plan. I'm just waiting for him to get back. It's 160cc BME Extreme engine.
Boy, that's an awful big engine, isn't it?
It gets on it too.
These airplanes are big. Beautiful Waco. Weaver Airplane Company. Super Cub for landing on rivers and rocks and stuff.
How you doing, Dick?
Howdy.
It's going to warm up.
Curtis Jenny. Looks like it's 100 inches.
And you had to go through all the shit, you know, ejection and all the other stuff, and the suit and the mask and the oxygen and suit up.
Well, the owner of this DC-3 is the pilot's meeting, so we'll get a few shots of it right now.
Yep, let me get out of your way, sir.
And then when the owner comes back, he can tell us all about it. But it's gorgeous.
Doesn't fly too bad either.
Is it yours?
No, it's actually
And we got the P-51. This probably belongs to him also.
crossed. Undecided.
Well, this looks like it might be a Wally Tift airplane.
That's what I heard.
It's been around for quite a while, I think. Cessna. Okay, we got Christopher is first up after the pilots meeting from Hood River, Oregon. Flying a what, Chris?
Extra 260.
Extra 260. And he's in the air. And he goes straight up and down. Hey, Rick Dunn, the second man up. From Almsville, Oregon. Rick Dunn says he's lost contact with his aircraft and it's just circling.
I got nothing.
He's got zero control, so stay tuned. Okay, Chris is coming in till we find out what's going to happen to Rick's airplane. Very nice. Well done. Is it still running, Rick?
It's still running.
Why don't you get yourself an easy chair and a pair of binoculars?
Well, we got binoculars. Dick, I have
It's
never had-
over Woodburn then, huh?
Oh, it is definitely over Woodburn.
Hey, Glenn Thornton's getting ready to fly his Curtis Jenny,
No, I don't even know where
built from my plans.
And I bet they're still available for $19.99.
Yes.
Right, Dick?
Okay, we got Rob Rainwater taxiing out for his takeoff with his P-51. Turning into position. And he's in the air. Gear up. Turning into the sun. Rob is from Maple Falls, Washington, up near Mount Baker. Scott Maccabee is the owner of this aircraft. Here's a practice flyby for an upcoming landing. One more pass before the landing.
Come towards us.
Okay, the gear is down, making the final turn. Coming in like a Piper Cub. Beautiful. Perfect.
I don't think the DC is going to stop.
Hey, Wally Tiff's got his push-pull Cessna up. Gonna do it. Yeah, Sky Knight. He's an old Sky Knight member. Very nice, Wally. Here he comes for another one. Slow speed. Okay, Wally's coming home. Looks good, Wally. Oh, beautiful. Wonderful. Okay, the PT-19's on its way. Okay, Grant says he's going to do a touch and go for us. There's the touch. And there's the go. Very nice.
Do I have a bee behind me?
Looks like Grant's coming in. Very nice. Another touch and go. Oh, wow. He's going to quit while he's ahead. Okay, Don Schultz is ready for takeoff with his giant Cub.
J3 Cub. 40%er.
40% Piper Cub. Just like the real one. Very nice. Smoke. Okay, Don's going to turn on his smoke and do a nice low pass for us. Oh, he's going to go around, I guess. Well, Don ran out of smoke oil, so he's going to do a touch and go for us with his 40% Cub. Oh, look at that, sports fans. Excellent. Okay, Don says he's had enough. He's coming home. Nicely done. Okay, Kelly's showing us his brakes. He's got a lot of RPMs there, but he's not going anywhere. There, he let go of the brakes. It's a 33% Super Cub with the flaps down. Nice one, Kelly. Okay, Kelly Martin's going to put an afterburner here for past. Nice fast pass. And away he goes.
Right to left or left to right pattern?
Okay, here comes the fly baby bipe. Take off. He's in the air, almost. Nicely done. And there he goes, Kelly Martin. Look at that. Man, look at him go. Okay, Kelly's got his landing light on, left wingtip. See that? What a guy. Broad daylight, too. Okay, Kelly's going to do a touch and go for us with those big wheels. Yep, I just turned it on.
That was.
There's another. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that.
You interrupted me, Don.
Very nice. A side slip, Kelly says. Look at that. Sports fans.
What's going on with the landing this morning? There we go.
He plopped it right on.
Okay, we're gonna hit some brakes here.
Brakes, brakes, brakes. Now he's going to peel around that left tire.
Yep, we'll peel it on the left.
Look at that, sports fans. What a guy. Nice show, Kelly.
Thank you, it was fun.
Beautiful airplane, really neat.
Enjoyed it.
Okay, Glenn Thornton's got his Curtis Jenny running. 100 inches. Get him down. Now turn it. See? This is a test flight. It does fly. You get plans, 1995, shipping included.